Hello everybody, this is macOS Tahoe 26.4, which I installed on my Lenovo Thinkpad E14 with all the updated text. Here you can see the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth and the sound. Everything is working fine. Here you can see the output and my input. The mic is working properly. You can see it's buffering the output, and you can see the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and the network card, Ethernet, and with sliding with 2 fingers and also with the 3 fingers. It's also working. You can see it. And most of the people have an issue of Wi-Fi and the sound. Both are working properly. For sound I use this Voodoo HDX, and for Wi-Fi, if someone you have an issue still, he can use this website of olarilla.com, and there you can see how to use airport with Wi-Fi Intel on macOS Sequoia or higher. I followed these steps from here and updated my kernel, and after that I can show you my info playlist, which there you can see. This is the kernel of this laptop, in which I use this one with these text in this order after these text. And if you have already installed itlwm.txt, just disable it from here. And one thing more, I mean the thing which is shown here, these things, this one, you can put it right here in this one. Okay, if anyone have issue, please let me know. You know, remaining thing is the same. Don't so that's all about this macOS. Thank you.